This is a parapet wall outlet. So the pipe comes through the wall from the flat roof and empties into this, which is a hopper. What happens is the water, when it rains really hard, can shoot out past the hopper. So we make like a shoe, which is that. So the water hits the shoe and drops into the hopper. That's code 5 lead, welded. Nice bit of welding there. Little things like this, stops, damp walls. You think it's the roof leaking, but it's not. It's the hopper outlet. Catch you later. Cheers, bye.